It is time to move on to Italy. So this somehow managed to get 25 million views, and I have not seen it at all. I guess I've just been busy, but let's fix that.
Sai che cosa penso? Che non dovrei pensare. Che se poi penso sono un animale. E se ti penso tu sei un'anima. Forse questo temporale che mi porta.
This is like the fourth video this year where the person is spinning or like tilting. I guess it's a trend.
Ho capito che per quanto fuga torno sempre.
I really wish I spoke Italian. That's the one language that I don't speak. It's so Italian, I can't. Alright, where are we going from here?
Me ne vado in giro senza parlare, senza un posto a cui arrivare. Consumo le mie scarpe, forse le mie scarpe sanno bene dove andare. Che mi ritrovo negli stessi posti, proprio quei posti che dovevo evitare.
I can already tell this is going to be a slow and steady build-up to the grand finale. I can already tell how the song is gonna gradually just add layers and layers, and then we're gonna explode at the end. Sing it. We're getting there. I actually really like the we're gonna fly. Okay. I was gonna say I actually really like the video. I like how they formatted everything and they made it really like a weird aspect ratio. I like that. It's very artistic. His voice is amazing, yeah. Alright, Italy. That was a very safe song. That was a very Italian song, if you know what I mean. Best way I could describe it and to draw like a metaphor was, it was literally like a plane taking off. It was a very slow, steady wind up, and then we took off and we flew for a while, and then we landed smoothly. It is not my type of song. I prefer songs that challenge me a little bit, and I prefer songs that are not so predictable. So with that being said, did I not enjoy this? No, I absolutely did. It is exactly the type of song I would expect from Italy. His voice was incredible. The song was perfect for him. Every little tiny inflection, every little word, everything was placed in the right spot. But bottom line, for me, songs like this are very forgettable. I am going to repeat myself and put out a disclaimer that I feel like I should start every video with. This is entirely my opinion. Me saying that this song is forgettable, it's forgettable for me. I'm gonna listen to this 2, 3, 4 times, but it is not the type of song that I will listen to for years. More things that I liked. I love the video. I love this stretched out, like super ultra wide format that they went with. I love how they banked on all this extra space that they had to work with, and they filled it with all the right images. The colors were beautiful, the framing was beautiful, the transitions from one scene to another, it just worked. Do I think this would have scored well with the jury? Yes. Obviously has a lot of views, so people like it. I don't see it. I think there are way more interesting songs this year. So it kind of perplexing that this has so many views. Fai Rumore, Diodato. I'm butchering this and I'm pronouncing it like the dumbass American that I am. Diodato. I know that I have to roll my R's. Fai Rumore. Yes. So that's my 2 cents on Italy's song for Eurovision 2020. What do you guys think? Let me know.